Right, so here we are today, and we are unwrapping the concrete casts that we made last month. So they've been curing for the last month inside those plastic bags, and today we're unwrapping them and getting them ready and bringing them inside to dry out, and then we can do what we want to do with them. Some of them might just be left as plain concrete casts, and some of them will have some washes just to make the details stand out a little bit more, and some may have some more detailed paint jobs on them. So there they are unwrapped, and what we'll do next is just wash them off, wash any loose dirt that may have come into contact with the pieces while they were curing. So there they are. There's quite a few bugs actually got underneath the bags. They were eating away at the moss. There's a fair bit of moss that grows along that pathway, and you'll see the little creatures running along the wall, but they don't worry about it because they'll have plenty of food opposite, which is in the form of all those twigs, leaves and stuff. Well, it's on the left hand side there now. Twigs, leaves that they can feast on there, like a kind of compost heap. So there we are, just filling up a container there with water, and we'll just wash the statues down and bring them inside. So we might do some more concrete casting before Christmas, depending on the weather. We got a bird bath to cast up at some point, so we might get around to doing that. We'll just see how it goes. So this is just take there. You can see the bugs there along the wall, like on high speed. A little bug on that dragon cast also. So I just wash those down, just loosely wash those down, and with the remainder of the water that we had left over, we can water our gunnera. The gunneras get thirsty, especially when they're not next to a pond. They like to be near water, really. So just put some water there, water on the gunnera. It rains a lot here in England anyway, so they get plenty of water. So there's the pieces ready to go. There's a painted piece there, which you might have seen before, dragon plaque. We might paint up some of these new objects in similar paint effect styles. There's an old leaf there and a mask, which is also featured on the channel. So there we are. We've just unveiled the concrete pieces, ready for some paint jobs, and we'll do some paint jobs over the colder months. And there we are. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. That's all for now, and we'll see you soon. Over and out for now.